as EDTA, ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid, the estimation of hardness by using this EDTA. What is the principle or the basic idea behind the particular experiment, the titration, and based on that particular titration, basics, we must have undergone the numerical problems based on EDTA. Okay. My voice is not coming now. Yes, आ रहा है अभी? आ रहा है क्या? Yes, my voice is coming.
मैडम आवाज ब्रेक हो रहा है।
स्क्रीन आपको मैं स्क्रीन पूरा अच्छा दिख रहा है? हाँ, स्क्रीन दिख रहा है, वॉइस नहीं आ रहे क्या?
हाँ मैम।
वॉइस ब्रेक हो रहा है।
वॉइस ब्रेक है मैम।
नेटवर्क का थोड़ा इश्यू है आज। अभी देखो, हेलो 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 हेलो, आ रही है क्या आवाज? आ रही स्टूडेंट्स? और ब्रेकिंग? इट्स ब्रेकिंग? It's proper? It's good. Okay, fine. So coming to the point, as far as this ion exchange process, you must be watching on my screen. This is the particular process of the method to remove the hardness present in water. Hard water, okay, what is the hardness, total, temporary, permanent, all these things, what it does mean, how to calculate, how theoretical the principle based on that EDTA, all these things we must have completed. And coming to the point, now point comes that how this hardness is being removed, because this is undesirable property given by the water due to the presence of the hardness causing impurities like sulfates, carbonates, bicarbonates, nitrates, chlorides of calcium, magnesium, heavy metals like aluminum, iron, all these the particularly produces hardness. This particular method is used. Number of methods are there. Earlier syllabus, from long back, the particular methods, zeolite and lime soda method. These two methods were also there, but nowadays no industry is utilizing those particular methods. And in that point of view, last year your syllabus has been revised. So many reference books you will find those two methods, but you just ignore it and you should go through your syllabus. Syllabus may only the ion exchange process for softening of hard water is there. Okay. For softening of hard water is nothing but the removal of hardness. So coming to the point, or the basic idea between this particular method, most of the time you may have to attempt the question theory. इसमें न्यूमेरिकल भी आ सकता है एंड थ्योरी भी आ सकती है, द सेम वे EDTA के जैसा. तो थ्योरी यू मे हैव टू अटेम्प्ट क्वेश्चन लाइक व्हाट इज द principle, or generally not the principle as such, but they will ask what is ion exchange resin. Explain the ion exchange resin process for the softening of hard water, and what are the advantages and disadvantages with this schematic diagram. As a question you may have to attempt. Okay, this process is also called as demineralization process, because all the inorganic minerals also being removed, and that's why the process is called as demineralization process or the ion exchange process. So ion exchange, this particular process we are using simply the ion exchange resins. And what are the resins? That question you may have to attempt. So resins, or the ion exchange resins, are the organic, porous, long chain, microporous you can say, microporous, organic, long chain polymeric compound, which has got cation exchange resin or anion exchange resin. The resin which exchanges its H plus ions with the hardness causing cations, hardness causing impurities in the form of cations, are called as cation exchange resins, and anion exchange resin is the one which exchanges its OH minus ions with the anions, which produces the hardness or gives hardness to the water. Okay, those anions have been exchanged. Means अपना जो cation exchange resin and anion exchange resin क्या करता है? It exchanges the means hard water sample when you put over the particular bed, उसको बेड बोलते हैं, cation exchange resin bed and anion exchange resin bed बोलते हैं. तो दोनों में water when it comes, cation exchange resin exchanges its H plus ions, resin में जो H plus ions है वो आपके water में जाएंगे and water का calcium, these cations have been taken up from the hard water by resin. As well as the anion exchange resin is the one which exchanges its OH minus ions with the anions, which gives you the hardness or produces the hardness to that of the water, such as the particularly sulfate, chloride, all these are the anions which have been exchanged with the anion exchange resin. This is the particular what's so called as the ion exchange resin. What are the ion exchange resins? Are microporous, long chain, organic polymer having ion exchange resin and anion exchange resin. The resin which exchanges its H plus ions with the hardness causing cations and is called as cation exchange resin. And the anion exchange resin is the one which exchanges its OH minus ions with the hardness causing anions is called as anion exchange resins. Okay, all of you got my point? समझे क्या सब?
नहीं आया अच्छा.
समझे? नहीं समझे?
नहीं समझे.
वॉइस ब्रेक हो रहा है.
समझे? Yes, the girl who said समझा, आपका नाम क्या? What's your name? Yes, now responded. What's your name? Come on. My voice is audible, students. All of you, my voice is audible.
बहुत ब्रेक हो रहा है.
बहुत ब्रेक हो रहा है. शायद इसका प्रॉब्लम है. Now, अभी आ रहा है वॉइस? Voice audible? My voice is audible?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Once more, I will define the cation exchange and anion exchange resins. Okay. Cation means you may have to attempt the question, what is ion exchange resins? What are the ion exchange resins? Explain exchange process for softening of hard water with advantages, disadvantages with neat diagram. Okay. So ion exchange resin is the one which means the particular what you can say long chain organic polymer having the particular lag होता है okay, I'm just checking. lag हो रहा है, मैं चेक करती हूँ.
मैम तुमचा आवाज नाहीये. हेलो मॅडम आवाज नाही येते.
वॉइस नहीं नहीं आ रही मैम, वॉइस नहीं आ रही।
मैम आवाज नहीं आ रही।
मॅडम आवाज येते तुमचा.
समझ में भी नहीं आ रही मैम।
अरे बाबा काय ना बात चला ना आता.
कोण आहे?
Audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes,
हाँ बोलो. Yes, my voice is audible.
yes ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. ब्रेक हो रहा है क्या? ब्रेक हो रहा है?
नहीं हो रहा है.
हाँ ब्रेक हो रहा है.
No.
मॅम नाही हो रहा है ब्रेक.
ठीक है. ओके फाइन. सो 12:15 आहे. See all of you, here the unexchanged resin is the one which has got, means the definition, or you can have the idea about unexchanged resin. The resin is the one organic microporous long chain cross-linked polymer having H plus ions, which exchanges its H plus ions with the cations present in a hard water, and the OH minus ions exchanges its OH minus, means the hard water anions. Those particular cation exchange resin and the anion exchange resins combinedly we called it as an ion exchange resin, and both the cations and anions, all the inorganic particles have been removed by using not visible. Okay. I might have been not. I'll just check it. Okay. Now both the classes are able to see the this screen. Screen का PPT दिख रहा है?
No, ma'am.
नो मॅम.
No
No
मैम।
ma'am.
Ma'am.
No कैसे? क्यों नहीं दिख रहा है? I shared it, no? हाँ? Are you able?
वो नहीं दिख रहा है मैम.
नहीं दिख रहा है.
Which division not?
सर
कौन सा division?
डिवीजन.
C division.
मैम सो दिखाई दिया अभी।
दिख रहे हैं, थोड़ा थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है ना बच्चे।
हाँ
नाउ यू आर एबल टू सी।
यस मैम।
दिख रहा है
आवाज,
मेरे को।
अभी आवाज आ रही है?
यस मैम।
हाँ, आ रही है आवाज?
यस मैम।
यस मैम।
आएगा आएगा, धीरे धीरे आएगा। नहीं अभी 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 आ रही है।
हाँ मैम।
हाँ, थोड़ा
हाँ मैम।
पता नहीं आज नेटवर्क का क्या प्रॉब्लम है कॉलेज का, तो ऐसा हो रहा है। यू जस्ट कोऑपरेट एंड ट्राई टू लिसन मी। बिल्कुल ही ब्रेक हो रहा है, कुछ नहीं समझ रहा है तो मुझे बोलो। I will continue, and this particular process, it comprises the two vertical tanks. Okay, the two stainless steel vertical tanks are there. As such, how the process working take place in case of your ion exchange resin process or the method, okay, that we are going to see. Where you can see this my slide, where you will find the two tanks, two stainless steel tanks, vertical tanks are there. The first one comprises cation exchange resin bed. इसके मतलब gravels, थोड़ा सा छोटा छोटा स्टोन से ग्रेवल्स बोलते हैं उसको, तो pieces of stones have been put up, and over that this cation exchange resin bed is there, where first of all the water in this first tank cation exchange resin bed over the gravels, थोड़ा सा पत्थर के ऊपर ये डाला रहता है, and another tank also the gravels and the anion exchange resin bed. In this tank you will find this pinkish color, that is cation exchange resin bed, and this blue colored anion exchange resin bed, which settled over these gravels. Now, first of all, we are taking from the hard water source over the cation exchange resin bed. Whatever the cations, that is calcium, magnesium ions, have been replaced by these H plus ions. पहले वाला tank में cation exchange resin में आपका hydrogen ions have been replaced by this particular calcium, magnesium. जो resin में hydrogen ions present है, वो आपका cations, that is hard water में calcium magnesium से exchange होता है. And now the cations removed, such a water you have to, means hard water, still the anions are present, you have to pump through this particular pipe. यहाँ पे एक pump भी रहता है, it has not been shown in this diagram, but here is the pump. You have to pump the same water into anion exchange resin bed, where the anions, that is the sulfate, chlorides, all nitrates, etc. have been क्या हो रहा है पता नहीं। मैं एक बार चेंज करके देखती हूँ।
अरे
रुको थोड़ा दूसरा।
यस
हाँ
मैम।
मैम। यस मैम।
हाँ, okay.
ma'am.
I change my place. Let us see how it's affects. So in this case, what happens? See, first of all, means we are putting the water in this cation exchange resin, where the H plus ions of the resin have been exchanged with the cations present in the hard water sample, such as calcium, magnesium. ये cations का form में present है hard water में, exchange होता है. I will tell you the reactions, then you will come to know. First of all, you just try to understand this theoretically what.
COOH plus CaCl calcium chloride.
ये क्या करेंगे? हाँ, अभी आ रहा है. So
Yes, ma'am.
such a water, hard water, from where the cations have been removed, now we have to pump it into anion exchange resin bed, where the anions of the resins like OH minus ions have been replaced by the anions present in the hard water. Hard water में जो भी sulfate chlorides are present, those particular sulfate chlorides in the form of ions have been replaced by this particular OH minus ions present in the anion exchange resin. So exactly if we go through the reactions occurs in cation exchange and anion exchange resin, क्या करेंगे क्या पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है पता नहीं अभी
करेक्शन चेक कीजिए एक बार।
अरे वो तो है ना बाकी सब हो रहा है खाली वॉइस ब्रेक हो रहा है because you people if you are talking also I may not be able to cation exchange resin bed. Okay, so RSO3H2 is your cation exchange resin bed and calcium and magnesium ions. These calcium and magnesium ions, if you consider calcium magnesium, these are present in the hard water. All of you are able to listen me. Calcium magnesium ions in the form of cations present in hard water. आ रहा है कि नहीं आवाज आ रही है
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ so calcium magnesium ions नहीं आपका नाम क्या है व्हाट्स योर नेम गर्ल यस टेल मी नो मैं आपको आई विल जस्ट आस्क यू नो ये नाम लेके मैं पूछ सकती हूँ कि आपको आ रहा है कि नहीं नहीं समझता है एक मिनट माइक्रोफोन अपना ये करके ऑफ करके आई विल ट्राई अभी आ रहा है क्या मेरी आवाज आ रही है
Yes, yes, आ रही है।
मैम एक्चुअली वॉइस
मैम जिनको नहीं आ रही है उनका नेट खराब होगा।
बरेचसे मुलं म्हणतात ना की आम्हाला येतो आवाज
मैम वॉइस लाइव हो रहा है।
मैम वॉइस ठीक है।
ठीक है ना फिर क्या है हाँ, जिनको मिल रहा है
उनका नेट स्लो होगा।
हाँ नेट का आपके नेट का भी प्रॉब्लम होता है बिकॉज कॉलेज का नेट इज क्वाइट गुड एज कंपेयर टू आवर नो जियो का मैं अपना नेट यूज ही नहीं कर सकती हूँ बिकॉज हियर इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल एनीवे ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड आई एम टेलिंग यू विथ माय स्लाइड दिस इज RSO3 2H2 दिस इज योर रेजिन okay resin means cation exchange resin has got H2 that is the hydrogen ions which have been तो कैल्शियम से रिप्लेस हो गया यू कैन सी RSO3 plus twice of H. So the same way calcium magnesium you can have the aluminum you can have the particular iron whatever may be the
नहीं दिख रहा है। It is not visible.
okay I'll check it
दिख रहा है मैम।
both the classes now visible
No, ma'am. C division not
presentation
visible.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Not
अभी
visible, ma'am.
Yeah, मैं
दोनों डिवीजन दिख रहा है
Yes,
हो
ma'am.
मॅम
हाँ दिसते ना तुम्हाला पीपीटी दिसते का
हो दिसते मॅडम
दिसत आहे
ठीक आहे तर हे RSO3 2H2 दिस इज युअर cation exchange resin and this Ca2 plus Mg2 plus maybe these two reactions have been written but you can put at this particular calcium magnesium के साथ aluminium iron heavy metals भी ले सकते हैं as a cation which are present in your hard water and when such a particular hard water containing cations like calcium magnesium iron aluminium when comes in contact with this RSO3 2H2 that is RSO3H2 क्या है आपका cation exchange resin bed तो cation exchange का hydrogen ions replaced by calcium product में you can see and twice of H plus remove हो जाता है then what happens magnesium same reaction only that is RSO
Your voice is left.
magnesium and twice of H
अरे
plus
आवाज नहीं आ रहा है। How are you? Man.
आ तो रहा है मैम, आ रहा है मैम.
अभी आ रहा है? अभी आ रहा है?
यस मैम.
Yes.
हाँ ठीक है. So what happens, see, in this case you are getting calcium, magnesium, RSO32, that is the particular resins का हाइड्रोजन आयंस रिमूव हो जाता है, कैल्शियम मैग्नीशियम आपके बेड पे आ जाता है, कटायन एक्सचेंज रेजिन बेड. देन सेम वाटर, क्या हो रहा है पता नहीं, ऐसे हो रहा है. Same water, when we put it in pump it in anion exchange resin bed, so anion exchange resin bed OH minus ions present in a resin bed, that is ROH2 ROH2 दोनों, and this twice of H, ये जो अपना cation exchange resin bed में twice of H बन गया है, that comes in contact with this particular anion exchange resin bed में, and water, hard water which has been pumped into this anion exchange resin bed comprises chloride, sulfate, nitrates, maybe nitrates as a hardness causing impurities. तो ये ROH2 plus twice of H plus twice of Cl minus, ये reaction होके now this Cl minus ions will be replaced by OH minus, RCl2 minus plus twice of H2O, RSO4 ये जो आपका सल्फेट क्लोराइड आयन से, OH minus and twice of H ये रिएक्ट होके वाटर बनता है, that this water is अभी सुनो जो भी है क्या करेंगे, क्या वो ये स्लाइड, सी आयन एक्सचेंज रेजिन, यूर वॉइस इज बहुत अच्छे से मुझे आ रहा है, मुझे बहुत अच्छे से आपका वॉइस आ रहा है, आई डोंट नो. हाँ फिर से कितनी बार लॉगिन, फिर से मीट का ज्वाइनिंग.
Yes, Mary.
Oh,
No, ma'am.
आवाज नहीं आ
Ma'am,
रहा
your
है.
mic is mute.
माइक ऑफ है मैम आपका.
How it's coming?
Yes.
Yes,
Coming?
ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
ion exchange resin is the microporous long chain organic polymer which has got the cation exchange resin and anion exchange resin. cation exchange resin is the one which exchanges its H plus ions. Mute all of you yourself. Mute. Cation exchange resin is the one. सब disturb आ रहा है. All of you should mute yourself. सब अपने को mute करो. आपका mute करो. सब घर का discussion आ रहा है. All of you mute yourself. So cation exchange resin is the one which exchanges its H plus ions with the cations present in the hard water, and anion exchange resin is the one which exchanges its OH minus ions with the anions present in the hard water. And that way the particular ion exchange resin method, we put hard water first of all. These are the two vertical tanks, stainless steel tanks made up of stainless steel. The two long vertical tanks are there. First tank, it is comprises the cation exchange resin bed, and the second tank, it comprises anion exchange resin bed. When the hard water coming in the presence or making the contact with this cation exchange resin, all the cations present in the form of calcium, magnesium ions in the hard water have been replaced by these particular H plus ions present in the cation exchange resin bed. And this particular exchange can be shown by the reactions that are SO3 2H2 plus calcium and magnesium. All of you are able to see the slide. Slide दिख रहा है क्या सब लोग?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. So this is the particular cation exchange resin bed पे ये reaction होता है, and these calcium ions have been replaced, means taken by from the hard water by this resin. RSO3 2H2 is your resin which is having hydrogen ions. Hydrogen ions are replaced by this calcium, here magnesium, and you are getting RSO3 2H2 Ca, and this twice of H, RSO3 2Mg. Both the reaction, these hydrogen ions have been removed, and the bed पे क्या आएगा? Calcium magnesium. This bed comprises now calcium magnesium ions. So such a water from the hard water, from where the cations calcium magnesium have been taken by the bed, now it has been pumped into the second ion exchange resin bed called as anion exchange resin bed, which comprises the ROH, OH minus ions present over the bed. And now the reaction means this water is having sulfate and chlorides, nitrates, etc. in the form of anions. You can see this particular reaction here. I am scrolling and you look the cursor, ROH2, ROH2, ये twice of H from the cation exchange resin bed से जो H plus बना है, now it coming in this particular ROH2, twice of H, and hard water which contains the chloride and sulfate. Now we are treating it with this ROH2, that is anion exchange resin bed. These OH minus have been replaced by chloride. These OH minus ions are replaced by the sulfate ions. Chlorides and sulfates have been replaced by the OH minus, and this you are getting RCl2 minus and RSO4. Okay, minus the water. This particular OH2 and twice of H reacts, and you are getting the twice of H2O. ये twice of H यहाँ से cation exchange resin bed से बना हुआ ये OH minus ion से react होता है and water में मिल जाता है, and you are getting this RCl minus and RSO4, that is chloride and sulfates have been settled over this particular tank जहाँ पे हमने ये hard water pump किया है. This hard water now you are getting the means the this particular resin bed, anion exchange resin bed now chloride sulfate से block हो गया है. Okay, and now the point comes कि पहले दिन we are using the same bed, second day we are using both the cation exchange resin bed and anion exchange resin bed. Second day में वही 1 lakh liters of sample first day हमने treat किया. Second day 50,000 liters of water sample हमने यहाँ पे treat किया both the tanks, cation exchange resin bed and anion exchange resin bed पे फिर से हमने use किया. फिर third day हमने use किया. So number of days as the maximum content of water you are treating for the removal of these cations and anions which producing the hardness to that of the water. नाउ पॉइंट कम्स दैट दिस टू बेड्स, जो टैंक में बेड है, कटायन एक्सचेंज रेजिन बेड एंड आनायन एक्सचेंज रेजिन बेड, गेट्स क्लॉग हो जाता है। मतलब हम जैसे योर मॉम मस्ट बी फिल्टरिंग द टी, तो वो जो आपका फिल्ट्रेशन छाननी है, तो छाननी में जो ब्लॉक हो जाता है आफ्टर, मीन्स हम वॉश करके भी निकलता नहीं है, बारीक उसका जो स्मॉल पोर्स है वो क्लॉग हो जाता है। टाइम टू टाइम यू हैव टू बर्न इट, दैट पर्टिकुलर मेश यू हैव टू बर्न इट और थ्रो इट। So now here also these resin beds are very costly, and that's why we cannot throw the resin bed daily. 2-3 दिन के बाद we cannot throw, and that particular time you have to treat cation exchange resin bed. You can see all of you, यहाँ पे एक dilute HCl and यहाँ पे एक मीन्स एसिड का एंड अनायन एक्सचेंज रेजिन बेड पे एक छोटा सा क्या बोलते हैं कंटेनर अटैच या बॉटल अटैच रहती है NaOH की अनायन एक्सचेंज रेजिन बेड पे, एंड बेड को कनेक्ट किया है, एंड दिस अनायन कटायन एक्सचेंज रेजिन बेड को एक एसिड बॉटल या कंटेनर कनेक्टेड है। दैट इज फॉर रीजनरेशन। उसको क्या बोलते हैं? रीजनरेशन ऑफ कटायन एक्सचेंज रेजिन बेड एंड रीजनरेशन ऑफ अनायन एक्सचेंज रेजिन बेड। तो कटायन एक्सचेंज रेजिन बेड पे हम HCl, नाउ यू कैन लुक फॉरवर्ड टू दिस पर्टिकुलर रिएक्शन। यहाँ पे जो आपका RSO3 आ गया है, RSO3 आ गया है, या अनायन एक्सचेंज रेजिन बेड पे RCl2- आया है, RSO4। तो सपोज ये कटायन एक्सचेंज रेजिन का ये हम, यू कैन सी दिस पर्टिकुलर कर्सर हियर वी आर टेकिंग बिकॉज कैल्शियम उस पे क्लॉग हो गया है। यू आर ट्रीटिंग इट विथ ट्वाइस ऑफ HCl, तो अभी CaCl2 निकल जाएगा एंड RSO3 मतलब हाइड्रोजन, हमको 2 हाइड्रोजन यहाँ से HCl से मिलेगा, एसिड से, जो आपका कैल्शियम का रिप्लेसमेंट होगा। ट्वाइस ऑफ H यहाँ पे आएगा H2, एंड ये जो Ca है CaCl2 फॉर्म होगा। सिमिलरली ये जो आपका RCl2 या RSO4 दोनों भी ले सकते हैं, कोई भी ले सकते हैं। RSO4 अनायन एक्सचेंज क्लॉग हो गया है सल्फेट क्लोराइड से, वी आर ट्रीटिंग विद द NaOH, ROH2 and Na2SO4। ये सल्फेट सोडियम से रिएक्ट होके Na2SO4 बनता है, एंड ROH2 इज योर अनायन एक्सचेंज रेजिन बेड फॉर्म हो जाता है। हियर अगेन कटायन एक्सचेंज रेजिन बेड फॉर्म हो जाता है। सो दिस पर्टिकुलर रिएक्शंस आर कॉल्ड एज, or this process is called as regeneration. All of you are getting my point? समझ रहा है क्या? Students, are you there? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
समझे क्या कैसे regeneration
Yes, ma'am.
कैसे होता है? All of you got the point? हाँ. So this is called as regeneration, and most of the time during exam you will have to attempt the question. Theory पे question आएगा तो ऐसे आएगा, what is ion exchange resins? What is ion exchange resin, or what are ion exchange resin? Explain ion exchange process for softening of hard water with a neat diagram. What are the advantages and disadvantages of this process? So let us see, ये जो theory question है, इस पे एडवांटेजेस क्या है कि दिस प्रोसेस वी कैन यूज हाईली एसिडिक एंड हाईली अल्कलाइन वाटर। तो आपका कटायन एक्सचेंज रेजिन बेड, अनायन एक्सचेंज रेजिन बेड को कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है ड्यू टू एसिड्स एंड मींस हाईली एसिडिक या अल्कलाइन वाटर भी है, तो बेड डज नॉट अफेक्ट। जो 2 प्रोसेस है अर्लियर सिलेबस, वहां पे यू कैनॉट मींस वी कैनॉट यूज एसिडिक एंड अल्कलाइन वाटर, सो दैट is the best advantage. Second advantage, it has got the water which is softened by ion exchange resin से जो हम water soft करते हैं उसमें 2 ppm and almost nil, but sometimes very rarely you can find only 2 ppm hardness. Otherwise the entire water is